Hello everyone. So if you want to extract zip files on your Android phone, here's how to do that. Many modern Android phones have this option as a pre-installed option. However, if your phone doesn't have any pre-installed zip opener, let's keep on. Open up your Play Store, let's press search, and let's search for Z Archiver. This is a very old and trusted service which helps us for 10 years at this point, I think. So let's check it out. Z Archiver. Now let's press install and let's give it some time to be installed. Great. Now let's press open. Give all the necessary permissions for this application to function, of course. So press OK. Tap on the switch near allow access to manage all files. Let's go back, give all the necessary permissions, and now we are to locate the desired zip archive which we want to extract. So in my case, it's hidden in downloads. There it is. Here it is. So let's tap on it, and you are to choose where you are to extract it. You can extract it right there, you can extract it to some folder name, or you can press extract and choose where you want to extract it by yourself. I will just extract it there. And basically that's it. All the files are decompressed, so let's locate them. Let's open up my files, and let's locate the files. So internal storage, downloads, Telegram, and those were the files inside of this zip, and basically that is it. So I really hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.